Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to make a passport size photo in Photoshop. Let's step into Photoshop and let's go and also drag in our image. I'm going to be real quick with this one. Let's just want to use this one. I'll drag it over here. Now from here, there's one thing you like to do. You like to do some retouching on the face, and so you can zoom in and then do all the retouching that you have to do. And once you are done with, I'm not really going to do this because I don't want to spend much time, but you can watch my other videos that will assist you to do that. Once you are done retouching it, it's time to crop it. And so you can go to the crop and then you go to ratio and then you can set it to WH resolution, and then let's give it some definite figures. Now these are standard size, and so we can easily do that 3.5, and then also this side we can set it to 4.5. now this is in inches, and then we're going to set the resolution to 300, and then that is it. All right, so that is it. That is actually the size actually. So okay, so we are just holding and dragging it. It keeps the size like that for us. Okay, so you can just drag it here. Make sure the head is in the middle, and I think this is better. Now you can click on this and then Control 0. All right, so we have something like this. Now guys, once you have it like this, like I see the background has no background, right? I'm going to click and then solid color, and then I'll just drag it underneath it. Okay, let's just make it a little bit white for now. Let's make it white actually. Okay, and then I'll right click it and then I'll convert it to smart object. Okay, now what you can do is hold Control and click on the smart object. It's going to select the entire thing. Okay, and now let's create a new layer, and then let's go to edit, and then let's go to stroke, and then let's change the color to color black, and then the width let's set it to maybe 2.5. let's set here to center, and then normal 100%, and click on okay. And then Control D to deselect it, and then you want to merge everything together. I like to put it in a group and duplicate it. Keep this one there, and then right click this one, convert it to a smart object. Okay, now hold Control and I'll click on this, and then Control C to copy it. Control C, now copy it, and then I'll go and create a new document, and then let's go to photo, and the photo, let's go to this one, 6x4 inches. Let's click on it, 6x4, 300. Perfect. You can go to advanced and you can click over here and set it to let's see which one we can find. Don't color manage. Click on it and then click on create. Now we have this. Control V will now paste this here. Control Z. All right, so now from here we can easily tweak it up. So let's just do that. We're going to do it like this, and then we're going to put it somewhere here. Let's send it more, duplicate it, and then you can bring it down again like that, just like that, and then select the two of them and then just drag them up like that, and you can duplicate it and then drag it this way, and then select them or duplicate them again, and then just bring them there like that. All right, select everything now and just keep it in the middle of everything. All right, great. And so this is what we have. And guys, that is how you create something like this. Now you can easily cut it because of the what do you call it, the stroke around it. You can easily see the stroke and you can easily cut it from there. Now guys, if you love this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to this channel. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.